Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are share with you pure Georgette big satin patta sari. The fabric feels incredible soft and smooth against the skin, ensuring utmost comfort throughout the day. And not forget about the draping. This sari folds beautifully, creating a gracefully silhouette. Now let's move on to the styling ideas. Whether you are prefer traditional and contemporary look, this sari has got you covered. The pair it with a golden blouse and statement jewelry for a classic look, or for a modern twisted belt, and complete your outfit with some trendy accessories. The versatility of this saree is truly remarkable. It's a wardrobe essential that offers countless possibility to elevate your style. And so what are you waiting for? Head over to our website or store and grab this pure sourced big satin patta sari, rupees 999. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on this fashion masterpiece. Thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing fashion find. Happy shopping guys. If you want to purchase this sari, then also link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.